Here's how you can fix the Downloads folder not responding in Windows 11. The very first thing you can do to fix the issue is to go to the bottom of your screen, right-click anywhere on the taskbar, and select Task Manager from the list. Ensure you are in the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer in this list and select it. Now simply press this Restart Task button to restart the File Explorer. You can also just right-click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. After the restart, now go and see if this fixes the issue. If your File Explorer is working and you can open it, but only the Downloads folder is not responding, you can follow these methods to resolve this issue. First, open your File Explorer. Then, right-click on the Downloads folder and open Properties. A new pop-up will open, switch to the Customize tab, and from this drop-down menu, select Documents, Apply, and press OK. Hopefully, this will fix the issue.